Welcome back to the channel, Car Enthusiasts. Today, we dive deep into the story of one of the most iconic hypercars ever built, the Ferrari Enzo. Named after the founder of the legendary Italian marque, the Enzo isn't just a car. It's a symbol of Ferrari's Formula One dominance, Italian craftsmanship, and the pursuit of ultimate performance. Produced in the early 2000s, the Enzo became the face of Ferrari's 21st century engineering. With only 400 units ever made, it remains one of the most collectible supercars in history. But what made the Enzo so special? And why does it still command millions of dollars today? Let's find. Chapter 1. The birth of the Enzo. Ferrari's dominance in Formula One during the early 2000s inspired the creation of a road car that carried F1 technology to the streets. After the legendary F40 and F50, Ferrari needed a third flagship hypercar to showcase their engineering might. In 2002, Ferrari unveiled the Enzo at the Paris Motor Show. It was named after Enzo Ferrari himself, marking the first time a car bore the founder's name directly. Chapter 2. Design and Aerodynamics. Designed by Ken Okuyama at Pininfarina, the Enzo was sculpted with aerodynamics first in mind. The sharp nose, sculpted intakes, and F1-style front end made it instantly recognizable. Carbon fiber monocoque chassis reduced weight. Active aerodynamics with a retractable rear wing helped balance drag and downforce. The cabin was minimalistic but functional. Designed for the driver, not luxury. Ferrari engineers derived the engine technology directly from F1, including lightweight pistons and advanced intake systems. The soundtrack of the Enzo's V12 is considered one of the greatest ever made. Chapter 4. Formula One technology in a road car. Carbon fiber bodywork and tub. F1-style gearbox. A 6-speed automated manual with paddle shifters, revolutionary for its time. Carbon ceramic brakes. One of the first production cars to feature them. Advanced traction control and stability systems tuned for maximum performance. The closest thing to driving a Formula One car on the street. Chapter 5. Driving experience. Stiff suspension, raw feedback, and aggressive setup meant the Enzo wasn't built for comfort. Every press of the throttle was instant, brutal, and thrilling. The steering was razor sharp, communicating every inch of the road. Not everyone could handle it. It required skill, respect, and precision. For professional drivers, it was pure heaven. Chapter 6. Production and rarity. Ferrari initially planned 349 units, but due to overwhelming demand, they built 400 total. Each car was sold to pre-selected Ferrari clients, not the general public. Base price, around $659,000 USD in 2002. Today, auction prices regularly exceed $3 million, $4 million USD, with rare models fetching even more. Chapter 7. Special variants and prototypes. Ferrari FXX, a track-only version of the Enzo, pushing the limits even further with 789 horsepower. Maserati MC12, built on the same chassis but redesigned, making it another collectible. Enzo prototype cars, early development versions, extremely rare and valuable. Chapter 8. Cultural impact. The Enzo appeared in movies, video games, and pop culture. Featured in games like Gran Turismo, Forza, and Need for Speed. Owned by celebrities, royals, and billionaires worldwide. Symbol of Ferrari's golden era in both racing and road cars. Chapter 9. Legacy of the Enzo. The Enzo became the direct predecessor to the LaFerrari 2013 Ferrari's hybrid hypercar. It carried forward the tradition of the Ferrari Halo cars. Right-pointing arrow Enzo, right-pointing arrow LaFerrari, right-pointing arrow. Next generation hypercar coming soon. Even today, the Enzo is considered the purest expression of Ferrari performance, unassisted by hybrid or turbo technology. Chapter 10. Collectability and value today. Because of its rarity, Formula One technology, and status, the Enzo remains one of the most desirable Ferraris ever. Auctions have seen Enzos selling in recent years for rare specs. The final Enzo ever built, given to Pope John Paul II and later sold for charity, fetched record-breaking amounts. Conclusion: the Ferrari Enzo is more than just a car. It's a piece of history, a tribute to a racing legend, and a benchmark for automotive excellence. From its Formula One technology to its timeless design, the Enzo remains one of the greatest cars Ferrari has ever built. Even in today's world of electric hypercars, the Enzo stands tall as a true driver's machine, raw, powerful, and untamed. And that is why, over 20 years after its